Hello and welcome to Medium of All Trades. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image gallery to your Wix website. Now, image galleries are a great way to showcase your work, product, maybe add clickable menus on them, and to make your website look more dynamic and visual. So all you have to do, go to your left-handed menu here, click on the plus icon that says Add Elements. Now from this Add Element, you're going to scroll down until you find Gallery. Once you click on Gallery, there are multiple types of galleries. So there's a Pro Gallery, which looks nice. So it's sort of like galleries that move. You have the Grid Gallery, and then Slider Gallery, and many types of galleries. So pick one that fits your website style or that fits your needs. So here I'm just gonna pick, for example, I want to pick this sort of thumbnail gallery. And then once I do that, I'm going to scroll down and put it where I want it to be. So here is the gallery. So as you can see, it's over my text that says welcome. So I'm gonna scroll down and then put it where I want it to be. I'm gonna make welcome just a little bit here on the top. And then here is my gallery. I'm going to show you how to customize your gallery however you want it to be. So when you click on your gallery, you get Manage Media, Settings, and Stretch. Now this stretch, if you want the gallery to stretch all over your website, which kind of looks really nice. So here is an example, and then I'm going to click on Manage Media, and this is from where I can add my pictures and customize it however I want it to be. So here are the images. For example, I want to delete this one, so I'm just going to click on Remove, or you can replace the image, adjust quality, or edit the image however you want. You can also add your own image. So here I'm just going to click on Add Media, and then I'm going to add my own images. So here you can upload your own media, or you can use the site files, my posts, or media from Wix, which is what I'm going to use in this case. I'm just going to type books because my website is like a book club. So I'm just going to search for that and add pictures that fit my website. So here I'm going to select multiple pictures. And then once you select, you could just click on Add to Page. And then I clicked on Add to Page. Usually you find the new images that you're going to add at the end of the gallery. So here I'm going to delete all of these. So here I just use the Shift button and I'm selecting multiple pictures, so all of these, and replacing them with the pictures that I want. So here I'm just gonna right click, or you can just click here on Delete. And then I still have more pictures to delete again. And here are all of our pictures that we just added. So here are all my pictures. Of course, you can order these however you want. So for example, I want this to be the first picture and then the rest of the picture. And once I do that, I just click on Done. And it's going to take like 2 or 3 seconds to show. So just be patient. And as you can see here, it shows. I think I'm going to remove the stretching option. And here it looks way better. And this is how you add an image gallery. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.